Here at Sinotech Group Manufacturing Factory, you can see our flagship product line ready for deployment. Our self-loading concrete mixers is one of the best sellers. It builds to deliver performance for different projects. Whether for mining, construction, or engineering projects, our machines are ready to tackle the job. We invite clients to visit our factory, inspect our production lines, and see the quality for themselves. We believe in building long-term partnerships. From hydraulic lines to the powertrain, every part is installed and checked by experts before it leaves the floor. Need your fleet to stand out? We've got you covered. Sinotech Group offers full customization services, from specific color schemes to exterior design modifications. We support OEM and ODM solutions to match your brand identity perfectly. Quality is the core of our manufacturing process. Our state-of-the-art production lines and every rigorous quality control ensure that machine leaving our factory meets the highest international standards. Established in 1992, Sinotech Group stands as a pioneer in the heavy machinery industry. For over 3 decades, we have dedicated ourselves to the R&D production and sales of world-class construction and engineering machinery. Trust is built on transparency. We welcome clients from around the globe to visit our facilities and witness our capabilities. Your success is our mission. Ready to upgrade your equipment? Contact Sinotech Group today for a quote or a custom solution.